Hello everyone, welcome to Augmented Technology Private Limited. Today I am excited to introduce our one of the product, that is 16UI8UOM Ethernet. It's an 16 channel universal input and 8 channel universal output with the Ethernet. Here we have the model. In this model, this is the top card and this is the baseboard. In this baseboard, we have the power supply connections. In this power supply, we have the provision as the positive and negative. In this baseboard, we have the power supply part. In this power supply, we have the configuration as the positive and the negative, where we can connect up to 24 volt DC. And in this top card, we have the Ethernet part. Through this Ethernet, we can access the web interface to configure the baseboard. In this baseboard, here we have the RS485, that is work as a master, where we can connect here with the slaves. Here we have the UI part. From here to here we have the UI part, and in this UI you can select analog input, digital input and NTC through the web interface. According to that, the baseboard will configure. And here we have the EO part. From here to here we have the EO part, that is 8 EO, where we can select it's as an analog output or a digital output through the web interface. According to that, the baseboard will get configured. In this UI, we have the two provisions. For analog input, we have the two provisions. That is, for analog input, you can connect 0 to 10 volt, and also we have the configuration as the 4 to 20 milliampere. For that different configuration, the board will get modified. And here we have the RS485 part. Here you can connect the slaves to get the data. And here we have the TCP. For this TCP, you will get the data through the web interface also, and also you will get the data in the Modbus TCP also. For this baseboard, here we have the reset button, and for this top card, here we have the reset button. Whenever you connect the Ethernet in the web interface, the data of the baseboard will get updated every millisecond. So you will get the data with the updated continuously in the web interface also, and also in the Modbus TCP also. Here we have the another provision of the 16UI8UO, which includes the 4G part. Here we have the top card. In this top card, here we have the SIM slot, where we can insert the SIM which supports the 4G. And here we have the Ethernet part, where we can connect with the Ethernet cable to access the web interface. As the before we already explained, the baseboard will work as the same, and the just we have the another provision, that is the 4G. For this model, we have the provided the in web interface for the both 4G also and the Ethernet. According to the user selection, through that only you can get the data in the MQTT. For example, if you select the as the 4G, so whenever it's a board connect with the 4G, you will get the data in the MQTT through the 4G. If you select the Ethernet, you will get the data through the Ethernet. If you select the both, whatever the configuration is presented and connected with the current board, so through that only you will get the data. For example, if the Ethernet is working connected and properly, you will get the Ethernet. If it's a 4G is connected properly, and you will get the data with the 4G. Based on the priority, you will get the data through the MQTT. And for this 4G model, here we have the Modbus master part. Before the Ethernet, we have the Modbus master part in the baseboard. For this 4G model, we have the for this 4G model, here we have the Modbus master part. Here we can connect the slaves to get the data. For this slaves data, you will also get this slaves data in the MQTT also.